As a continuation of my last video on how I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I may have done this too late in the video. It takes 5 and 5 to create 10 to create 1. It takes 1 and 1 to create 2, 6 and 6 to create 3. It takes 2 and 2 to create 4, 7 and 7 to create 5. It takes 3 and 3 to create 6, 8 and 8 to create 7, 44 to create 8, and 99 to create 9. 516273849. Reverse and take and switch all positions. All positions in tic-tac-toe will now be switched, right? We're going to now put the 5 in this position, the 1, the 6, the 2, the 7, the 3, the 8, the 4, and the 9. 5, 7, 9. 1 and 4 DNA, 6 and 8 communication, right? The seventh gate. The 8 heaven, when you're born to the ninth world, right? You pass through the seventh heaven to land in 6. Your 6 is 144 to 121 hours is the 6th day. Your ninth day is 216 hours, is the last hour of the day, and it starts the day at 192. 192, 202, 212, 216, 24-hour days, right? Is it 192 or 193? Is that what it is? It's in the 192. The maximum is 216. 92 to 02. Well, this would be 24 would give me 7. It would have to be this number over here, right? This is 23. It's actually 120. This is actually 192, 193, and this is 120, 121. Because the day before, right, the 5th day ends on the 120th hour, starts on the 121st. It ends on the 144, begins on the 145th. It ends on the 168. 170, 188. It ends on the 192nd. This is a complete 8 days. 216 is a complete 9 days, and 240 is when all 10 days have been completed. So we continue on. Down 4, up 5, down 4, up 5, down 4, 6, 5, 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8, down 4, up 5. Then we continued on. We noticed we're going to do the 10 world. 9 and 5 is 14, 6 and 8 is 14, 2 and 3 is 5, 1 and 4 is 5. 5 and 9 is 14, 1 and 4 is 5, 2 and 3 is 5, 4 and 1 is 5, 6 and 8 is 14, 1 and 4 is 5. Everything's a 5, only the 7 is in the center now. We come over here to the next section, 516, we added on, we end up with 693, 693, 69, up 6, up 6, up 6, up 6. You always go up 6. 6 and 6 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3. 6 and 9 is 15, 1 and 5 is 6. 6 and 6 is 12. Or up 3, down 3, up 3, down, up 3, down 3, up 6, down 3, up 6, down 3, up 6, up 6, down, up 6, up 6, or down 3, right? You can go down 3, you can go up 6. Over here, you can go down 3, but we can't because we get to a 0, so we have to go up 6. You don't want to count 9 minus, oh, what was it? 9 minus, down to 3, 9, 8, 7, 6. You have to go through 7 and 8 to get 6. Or you have to go to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get 6. So if you go 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, that's Mars. If you go down the other way, you pass through the gateway, 7 and 8, 15 equals to 15 Mars and 6. The sky's a Saturn. We go on to the next one. We end up to 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. How we kept at 5, 5, 5. 4 5s is 20. 2 plus 0. 4 2s, 2. The 2 area, it's 1 and 1 is 2. And since we started with 1, we have to go 4 1s. We end up with 4. Here we went with 6s. 4 6s, 24 becomes 6. Here we went with 2s. 4 2s become 8. Here we went with 7. 4 7s become 28, becomes 1. In the next row, we go up 5 more. Right? First we go 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The minute we go up 5 more, then we go 7, 5, 3, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. The complete reverse. Here's 2 done. Here's 3 done. Here's 4 done. In the 5th one that it's done, in the 4th and the 5th, they just reverse each other. In the 6th one, okay, it repeats the 3rd one. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. So your continuation in numbers will go from here We'll go from a minimum of 2, which will create these numbers, 5, 1, 6, 2, 7, okay? But there will be no other after these numbers, okay? This one, will it come to 6 again? The next one over here, when you add 5, it will become 8. Then it'll become 13. Then it'll become 4. It started at 5, we added 5, we keep adding 5, it became 2. We added 5 again, it became 3. We add 5 again, it becomes 8. We add 5 again, it becomes 13, it becomes 4. We add 5 again, 1 becomes 9. We add 5 again, 1 becomes 5, and we're back to the beginning again. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On the 10th one, 1 becomes 5. So they repeat all at 10. So Raphael 72, 86 in a constellation of Pegasus. Here's your first rotation. Thank you for watching this video.